Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another old versus new drawing video. I was going through my channel and I saw this old Teen Gohan Super Saiyan Blue 2 drawing. Of course, this form could not be possible I guess, but it's a great idea. The drawing itself is not that great. The shading is pretty much non-existent, the colors are flat, the hair is a bit too small, and the aura really looks not that great. But I like the proportions and the clean lines. I did this drawing over 7 years ago, and I think now we can check out how much I've improved in this long time. Let's get right into it guys. Hit like, subscribe if you are new, and let's go. Alright guys, last touch, and here we have Teen Gohan Super Saiyan Blue, and as you can see, I drew him in a Saiyan armor because why not? It looks great. I really like this one. He looks exactly like Teen Gohan. I love the hair, the colors, the face expression, the armor, the proportions, the shading, the pose, the aura, just everything about it. It's just a simple one character drawing, but I think this one belongs to one of my best drawings. I am really happy with the results. And when we compare this one to the old drawing, we can see so much differences in the quality. But not only the quality of the drawing itself, also the color choices are way better, the face, the proportions. I mean, come on guys, don't let me count out every point. The new one beats the old one with no problem. Alright. Now you let me know what you think of this drawing down below in the comments, and also comment below which old drawing of mine I should redraw next. Like the video to show me your support, and the full-time version of this drawing will be online very soon, so subscribe to both of my channels. The one and only original drawing of this Gohan is now available on Etsy, and for commissions message me on Instagram. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you on the next